Alrighty. That guy Shiro's in the building. What up, chat?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Good morning, everybody. Y'all ready to go? We got motion. Lovely. How you guys doing? Everybody doing good? Good to see you all here on this lovely Tuesday we got going on. Yes, sir. W's coming in, baby. W's coming in. W's going out today. Let's go. Yes, sir. Oh, let me turn the zoom. Hold on, zoomers. Boom. Yeah. All right. What is good, everybody? Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Who took gold buys? Who took gold buys just now? I came late to the party, but I was tracking it, and look at that, right on the nail. Right? If you guys look left, this was if you took this 1 hour position here, what you wanted to do is you wanted to look left, and on the 30-minute time frame, you had that resistance right there. Boom. Take profit, target one, and then you keep it moving, right? Stops at break even. So I'm sure a lot of you guys took that position. Good work. Good work, good work. Classic Traders in the house. What up, Classic Trader? What up, Shiro? Shiro's in the building. That guy Shiro. Alexandru's in the house. What up, Alexandru? What up, Nathan? What up, Z Gamers in the Heezy? What up, Henry? Yo, what up, YOLO Trader? Giuseppe, what's up, Giuseppe? How you doing, brother? What up, Dominic? What up, Wick the Kid is in the house. What up, Wick the Kid? What up, Bruno? Bruno's in the building. Hugo's here. FX Vikings here. Who else is here today? Who else we got? Oh, Blasco's in the building. What up, Blasco? What up, Dennis? What up, Yeeza? Yeah, some of you guys got great names. Great names. All right, cool, man. Well, happy Tuesday. Good to see you guys. Good to be back here with you all. Good morning, Joseph. What up, brother? Yeah, good to be back here, gang. It's another day, another opportunity here for us to come to the markets, right? Come to the markets, see what we can take from it, what we can learn from it, and how professional we could be, right? The market's going to test your professionalism on a daily basis, and you know that's an opportunity for us, right, to get better every day as a trader. What up, Groomsmith? And continue on, right? If we're gonna do this long term, then there's no need to rush, right? There's just take your time, learn, enjoy it, right? Enjoy it. Enjoy the journey. Enjoy the walk up the mountain. Don't always just look at the mountain, right? What up, TK? What's up, Jerry? Buck the Fly was goody. Tuesday, yeah. Yes, sir. Awesome. Well, let's go ahead and get started here. Let me just lower the music a little bit. How's the music? Pretty good? Buenos dias, Pablo. What's good, broski? What up, Prickly? All right, cool. All right, yeah, let's take a look at what we got going on here today. Another beautiful day here, right, to be in the market. Super grateful. By the way, blessings to you guys, man. I'm hoping that things are really starting to click. I'm hoping that you're learning, right, throughout this process, and you're starting to apply what you've learned, right? Now's the time to apply these things, right? If you set that goal on Saturday or Sunday, I hope that yesterday you didn't break the plan, right? And if you did break the plan yesterday, let's take a deep breath, forget about it, and let's really, really get serious today. For those of you who stayed professional yesterday, good work. Let's continue that momentum into the rest of the week, all right? So let's take a look at the news here. Let me just refresh this page. It is Tuesday, September 19th, and we do have some CAD news coming up here. Now, we're not trading the CAD, but you know, it does reflect on the US dollar, and you know, we'll shake gold up just a smidge bit, so we'll keep an eye out for that at 8:30. But other than that, all we have is an orange folder and a yellow folder here today, so not much going on for the US dollar, which is good, right? We should be pretty clean. Tomorrow is going to be the big day. Tomorrow will be the fireworks show. We'll be doing 2 streams. Actually, we'll probably be doing 3 streams tomorrow. So we're going to be doing a New York session. We're going to be doing the press conference with the Fed, and then we'll also do possibly the Asian session. So there should be a lot of volume after the Fed speaks tomorrow, and I think it would be a perfect time to pop up on Asian and see if we can catch some moves, right? So that's what we got going on here today. That's going to be tomorrow, but today's pretty clean. And you know, let's take a look at the charts, right? Let's get a breakdown going, see where we're at. Look at that, just perfect rejection. I think that was about 14 pips. Yeah, 14 pips there. So yeah, got to know when to grab that bag, you know? You don't want to get caught holding the bag on a beautiful move like that. You know, you took advantage of it. But anyway, let's get rid of all this. Let's go ahead and start from the top, and let's move down, all right? So you guys ready for a top-down analysis? If you guys can like the stream, that'd be awesome. Give the stream a like if you're enjoying your time here on the Time to Eat YouTube channel. If you're learning a bit, give the stream a like, and we're going to do a top-down analysis here, break it down, and see where we're at today and what we're looking for here on gold, right? So, and then we'll do GJ as well. So taking a look at the weekly time frame here, right? Looking at the weekly, we see that we have closed bullish, right? We have created a support right along this area too, right? You notice that there's another support to the left, so we've created that support, right? You've also had a nice exhaustion wick to the downside here, and now price is pushing up, right? The only thing about this candle is just the bottom wick was just very, very small, right? That's my only issue. Otherwise, this candle is doing exactly what it's supposed to do, and it's looking good, right? It's heading up towards 1940 here, maybe even up into this range up here at like 1947, 1948. So that's kind of where I see the weekly heading towards. Let's take a look at what we got going on with the daily time frame. So daily time frame did close bullish yesterday, right? We closed pretty strong bullish. We moved up, we broke past all of this wick rejection to the left hand side, and now we're moving on up again, probably looking towards like the same destination as the weekly, right? 1947, between 1947 and 1950, somewhere up in this zone. We have created a bottom wick here very nicely, right? So we are pushing up. I think it's pre-New York, so I think we may come down now to create some support here before pushing back up. So looking at the 4-hour, and the reason I say that is because the 4-hour candle, right, closed right at resistance. And if we look, right, there's a resistance here, and if we look left, there's also another resistance right there, right? And we closed below both of these resistances to the left without making a bottom wick yet, right? So that's a little issue going on with the 4-hour candle here. There is clean traffic though, right? You have clean candles coming up, and your next resistance is up here at right around 1940. So there is pretty clean candles, but that is my only concern, right, about this 4-hour candle, right? And now we're starting to see the 30-minute move bearish here. So let's go ahead and take a look at what this looks like on the 1 hour time frame, and so that way we can kind of see what we're in for here. So 1 hour candle, right? We pushed up, we've closed above this most recent resistance here, right? Or actually, it was more so here, right? We closed above, broke the highs, grabbed liquidity, came down, created support, and then the next candle pushed up, right? Looking at the 30-minute time frame as well, you had that support here, right? We pushed up, and now we're starting to create resistance. This candle did close with no bottom wick. Let's go ahead and look left and see what we got going on. Where's the nearest ranges here, right? So looking left, and even on the 1 hour time frame, looking left, you may now need a closure above here, right? You may now need a closure above here, being that we kind of tapped in and rejected at this zone here. So let's see what happens here on the 30-minute time frame. You do have NY open coming up in about 60 minutes. So it looks like if we look left again, right, you had this zone and you closed back in it now, right? On the 30-minute time frame, you had this big push up after closing above, and now candles are closing bearish. So this is pretty much the range that we're looking at here now, right? You have a support down here. We'll look to take range 2 sells below there. Since sells are going against the daily bias, we won't jump on the first initial breakout. We'll wait for a break and a retest, and then we'll travel down and look to target, you know, the support down here. And then you have even more clean sells below there here today. So we are bullish based off the day. This 4 hour candle though, it needs a bottom wick, I think, right? Especially we didn't close above here, so with no bottom wick, I don't know, man. This thing might start to really tremble down here. So either way, that is the bottom wick, that's support. So we'll wait for a range 2 sells below there, and then if we are going to take buys here today, let's either wait for some sort of support down here, maybe like a fake out in this range, right, for price to create support, and then we can take this thing back up. So that's what I'm looking at here for gold. If we look left, we have some really nice targets here, right? There's a lot of clean traffic coming up. This, you know, can all get blown by when it comes to volume, and that is a nice range there, right? We've got about a 58 pip range, so pretty solid. The first resistance about 23, 25 pips away, and that's a tradable range. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if we can come down, create a support, and then you know, look to take this thing back up during times of volume, right? So something like this, maybe we get some sort of a fake out where price closes back in the range right around 8:15, 8:30, right? And then we come back up here. So that's what I'll be waiting for here on gold, and that looks clean, right? That looks clean. Take an onion play off support on a bullish day going up. That's going to be our ideal setup here today. So we'll just wait on it. Just wait on it. And then you have pretty clean sells, right? You got clean range coming down towards 1930, and then below 1930 you have pretty clean range coming back into the good old barcode section from yesterday, right? This was the New York session here yesterday. A lot of fun. But yeah, those are going to be the targets here. So pretty clean day on gold, right? We've been pushing up here. I really would love to see some sort of retracement to come back down pre-New York and then move our way back up today. We've got a really nice bottom wick here. So if we re-break these highs, very high chance we come up to this resistance, and that's going to be our target right there at 1941. So looks clean to me. Lovely. Sweet. Awesome. That's it. So that's it on gold. Pretty clean day. Pretty clean. So let's take a look at pound yen as well here. Let me lower the music just a little bit. There you go. All right, so let's take a look at GJ. So taking a look at pound yen here for the day as well. Let's go to the weekly time frame, because remember, the weekly did close very nicely here, right? We closed below this range. We finally had a strong closure, right? You haven't really had much. You created that resistance there, which was lovely, but the next two candles, 1 and 2, really didn't give us any sort of direction, right? One was down, one was up, right? So we had really no direction there. Now what happened was this candle here kind of give us a strong closure right below this range, and now you have price, you know, the new candle. So this is the weekly candle. It's Tuesday, right? We may still want to come up to create a steeper top wick. If that's the top wick, that's totally fine. We've come into this wick area here, and you know, that should be fine, but we may even want to come up, you know, somewhere up in this range, right around like 184, you know, right up here. So if it breaks the high, you know, no worries, it's healthy, right? But I think we should continue down here this week. We have a support down here at whatever 19 or 181, 180, 500. So that's pretty much where we're looking to take GJ here this week. So let's take a look at the daily time frame. Daily time frame has closed below as well. One thing we know is we closed below, we pushed up, we closed below again, another candle closure below, and I really think if the lows break here, you're gonna see a nice push coming down. So pretty clean move here ahead of us on pound yen today if we can hold this high here. So let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame and see what's going on here. So you have a pretty strong resistance right here that we're looking at. Other than that, you're just consolidating, right? These candles are just consolidating. They're doing nothing. They're just moving sideways here. Now, if we look, this whole general area of support is very strong, right? Even to the left-hand side, this is a very, very strong area of support. So if a candle can break through there, then you should have a really, really nice push coming down, right? We've got pretty clean traffic coming down to like 181,600 here, and that will be the target here for the day, right? You have a minor support right here that we should blow past, aka this wick here, during times of high volume, and you should make your way down if we break these daily lows here, right? 4-hour lows. Look how strong these lows are here, right? All being rejected. So if you can get a candle to close below, you should see some really, really nice volume pump in. So I'm gonna look for sells below 180. Oh, hold on one sec. What's this? 17 pip range. Yeah, I'm gonna look for sells below 182, 775 here, right below this support. Boom, sells below here. That's going to be moving with the higher time frames. So sells below. And then if we get some sort of fake out up here, then I'll look to take my buys. Or I mean, I'll look to take sells. So fake out for sells. And if not, I'll look to take buys above 183, 345 here. Yeah, clean buys above there. And that's going to be the day there on GJ. Pretty simple. We don't want to get faked out here, right? Going against the daily bias here. We're just kind of creating that top wick, and what we're anticipating is the lows breaking and price filling this wick and then coming on down, right? So that's the idea here, based off of GJ. So we'll hang tight. We'll see if price action wants to play out in our favor, and that's it. You know, just hang out from here. Simple. Mark them up, and then you wait. No confusion, gang, right? Now guess what? The next couple hours that we sit here, we know exactly what we're waiting on. We know exactly what we're looking for. No more thinking is involved, right? All the thinking has just been done right here, right? If these make sense to you, copy these, right? If they don't, make sure you're keeping your bias, right? Make sure you got your levels marked up and that you're looking, you know, at price action the way you see it, right? And you know, that way you have your own analysis. So this is just the way I see the markets here today. But if you see it any differently, that doesn't make your way bad or wrong or anything like that. Cool. No bottom wick here yet. 30-minute resistance. Cool. What up, Joe Stu in the building? What up, Green? What up, boys? Y'all ready for a good one? You ready for a great day? I'm ready for a great one. What up, Zoom? What's good, everybody? Chilling. Plenty of room to drive here today. Plenty of range here. So gold is going to be it's going to be a no trade range here for gold for me today. Not going to really touch any even within this range too, right? Unless we kind of really get a nice clean fake out. Those are going to be pretty much no trade zones here for me. And then just to keep it simple on the eye, anything in this green range is going to be all good, right? We got super clean candles coming up, and then anything below here looks money, and then also coming down, right? So very small red range here today. If you guys can stay out of it, that's probably going to be your best bet. And the green ranges are good, right? There's money here today, so let's sit and wait on it. YOLO Trader in the building. What up, YOLO? Good morning, Chris. What's up, brother? Thank you for the analysis. Made me feel better. Got you. Good morning, Sergio Santos. Sergio Santos in the building. Well, I know good morning from. What up, AB Mike? No worries, brother. We know you're here. Oh, nice. Thanks, Lawrence. Appreciate that. Thank you. Good to have you here anyway, right? It's more so good vibes, right? It's more so just about hanging out with some traders and being around like-minded individuals, right? I always think of it like a trading floor, right? Not everyone trades the same. You know, not everyone trades the same or does the exact same things or looks at the same pairs, but they're all there. They're all there to iron sharpens iron, right? Rub off each other and just have a good time trading, right? Otherwise, trading could be a bit boring. You just sit there and wait. Kenya's in the building. What up, Kenya? Kenya's in the house. Good morning, Unique. Yeah, now so we did create a resistance now, right, on the 30-minute time frame. So what we want to see is pre-New York, right? Kind of what we drew out earlier. We want to see if we could find fake outs here. So whether that be here, whether that be down here, we should find it somewhere in these ranges for price to come back up. And we honestly want a healthy pullback, right? We want a nice healthy pullback here. Price came up, very lovely, right? Very lovely. We don't have a 4-hour bottom wick either. So I'm assuming that, or anticipating that, we may come down to create that bottom wick, and we'll see that here on the 30-minute time frame, right? So whether we come down, look something like this, right, and we look for a fake out here, but it doesn't happen, right? It doesn't happen. Price closes below, right, looking something like this, and that's where we get our fake out potentially, right, for price to come back up. So once we get that support formed, we want to look to take our buys right here, right, to retest these highs, number one. And if we get a closure above, you got more buys coming up, and you got runners here today. So that's what we want to anticipate happening. That's going to be the best move here today, based off of the weekly and the daily. And it's going to look something like this, right? You got this right there, right? So something just like this, and then targets are going to be way up there today. So not saying we're going to hold that whole entire time, but you know, that's the ideal move here today. So we'll see if we get it. Yeah, that was a nice buy on gold. Yep, I seen that. I was a little late to the party. I seen when price had already moved up by the time I opened up the chart here. So, but yeah, I was like, I know some of the squads in that trade for sure, because that's a playbook setup right there. Right? You had a beautiful. What do we have here? Right? We had price move up. Right? Price move up. Price come down. Create support, giving us the onion play. 1 hour candle closed strong bullish. Price came down, made a bottom wick, broke the highs, and then pushed all the way up, right? And then as I was looking at it, I was thinking, how would I manage this position, right? So I look left on the 30-minute time frame, and looking left, I noticed that everything was pretty clean, right, on the way up until you got right into, you know, this support level, let's say right here, or this resistance level right there. And then where did price reject from? That exact area. So that's why looking left is always going to get you right. Always, right? Because if you don't look left there, you're caught holding that bag. Right? You're caught holding that bag when the market said, "Hey, so and so, I've got 14 pips for you. Will you take it?" Right? But, you know, sometimes we're like, "Nope, it's all in. I'm all in," you know? And that's fine too, right? That's fine too. But this was the first sign of any sort of possible rejection, right? So that's where we always like to at least go break even, if not close partials. And for me, 14 pips on that move, pre-New York, bullish candle or bullish 4-hour candle, no bottom wick, I would have 100% taken those 14 pips. Right? Because the 4-hour didn't really close above, right? If we're looking at the 4-hour chart here, 4-hour never really closed above this resistance, right? So you had a weak close right at it, and then no bottom wick on this current candle. So if you're in buys there, those are the really important times to look left and see what clean traffic you can take advantage of, and then secure a bag, right? Secure some money, because that's what we're here to do, right? Make money. So that's my ideas on, or my thoughts on that trade. But just a beauty, right, off the 1 hour. Beautiful. And now we may come down, so we'll see if we can get all that good stuff we talked about here. Where's the no trade zone? Pretty much gonna be in between these two zones, right? Pretty much right here. What's the trend for Euro USD? I have no idea. Would you have taken it if I saw it in time? Yes. Yep. I would have definitely taken that. Yep. Yeah, because remember, it's a bullish day, right? Where do you want to buy, right? The best places to buy are going to be what? Where are they going to be? They're going to be off of support, right? The best places to buy are always going to be closer to that support, because a lot of the energy or the momentum is going to come off of that support right there, right? And then same thing, right? Where's the best place to take sells? Off of a resistance, right? Look at the drive down here. Why? Because most of the volume is going to come off of that. So at times, you know, you want to look, hey, where is the nearest support, right? That's why you guys hear me say all the time, hey, where's the nearest support? Where's the nearest resistance, right? Because I want to know where I am in that range, right? And if I'm near support and we're going to take buys, I like that, right? I like that. And that's where we talk about the overextended buys sometimes. There's no support, right? So look at this buy here. This candle, if you took the buy on this next candle, you were buying on an overextended breakout, right? Or an overextended support. Because this candle is what? Almost 50 pips, right? So huge candle there. And remember, your hands are tied with that stop loss now, right? So, but now once this support is formed, the buys here are not overextended anymore. Does that make sense? Right? Because you now created a new support level. So now you have clean buys, right? So not only is this somewhat of a breakout, but it's also a really nice onion play to go up. So yeah, that's there's some resistance if you look left on the 30-minute at 136. 136. I think I've seen that on the 30, right? Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. 1 hour is pretty clean in that area. If we have volume, typically what will happen is if you have volume, right, and you're basing your trade, let's say, off of a 1 hour time frame, then what will happen is this 30-minute resistance will get blasted through, right? It's like dynamite coming in, and most likely price will want to target that wick. See that wick up there? It'll most likely push past all this resistance to fill it, because remember, during times of volume, wicks get filled, right? So this is a wick that I can anticipate being filled. So I wouldn't really worry about that too much when there's volume, right, coming into the market. But yeah, good question there. And if you want, I think it's like not that big of a difference. You can just, yeah, it's like an 8 pip difference. You can just put your resistance up there. And I may do that depending on, you know, how everything plays out here. GJ2, so we'll wait on GJ to form a resistance, right? Because if we want to take sells on pound yen, right? We want to take sells on pound yen today. Why? Because look at the daily candles, right? Daily candles have been pushing down. They've made an attempt to come up. They failed, right? Closed bearish again. And now if we're anticipating these lows breaking and this clean traffic, you know, coming down to be targeted, then we're gonna want to look for sells. And you know, what do you know, like, the price action on the lower time frames, they match up perfect with the price action on the higher time frames, right? You notice how the ranges that we have, right, on the 30-minute time frame, where is that? What happens when we close above that 30-minute range? We also break that previous daily candle high, right? So, and what happens when we get sells below here? We also break that previous candle low, right? So both you know, both scenarios indicate volume coming into the market, right? There's also a wick to fill here, and then you have a wick to fill here, clean traffic coming down, right? Bunch of wicks in these ranges here. So it all lines up, right? It all lines perfectly with the higher time frames. You know, that's your 1 hour resistance there. So yeah, it's pretty cool, right? Everything kind of correlates. I'm in the hospital. Oh man, praying you are out of the hospital today. Today, my friend. Now we wait. Yep. Yeah, who took the gold buy earlier? Anybody? I know there was a few people in Discord. Nice. Nice, nice. Only take barcode, please. That guy TK's in a building. He is that guy. He is that guy. That guy Shiro's here. What up, options? I was snoozing. Ooh, you were snoozing. Sharon Powell took it. Hey, let's go, Sharon. What up, TK? How you feeling today, bro? You gonna see Dylan Dennis versus Logan Paul? I didn't know that was going down. I didn't know that was going. I didn't know that was happening. You're that second guy, Shiro. Oh, nice. Purified Media. Good stuff. What up, Purified Media? Oh, yes. You like the... Shout out to TK, man. Helping me out. Man, helping me out with a lot, my man. Appreciate you. Yeah, we got the MT5 box in there now, so you guys can, you know, we have it for the stream, and also that way we don't have to keep jumping back and forth from MT5 to TradingView too much. What up, Rafi? Good morning, bro. Anthony. Calm down, man. Calm down. You sent me a 0.5 BTC yesterday? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. As Alea would say, uh-oh, spaghetti-o. MT5 on screen, yes sir. Yeah, that way we don't have to keep bouncing back too much. I'm kidding, man. We do a little kidding. We do a little kidding. Blessed day today. Yeah, what up, Bobby? What's going on? Good morning. We got big motion. Hey, you guys see my IG story? Big motion. I love that little guy, man. I'm gonna put Maverick on with him. When's dinner, Dad? Next 1 hour candle closure. How many of you guys live your life now in candle closure time? You no longer live the normal society time. You now live on candle closures. Finally started to grow some chest hair, David says, but I have had a beard since 17. Wow, great information, man. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for letting us know that, brother. Appreciate it. If we want to know any more, we'll ask. We'll ask. Anything more fancy? Yeah, just range to range, price action, candlesticks. Yeah, we have a playbook. If you hit !playbook in the chat, a YouTube video will pop up that I did on our playbook. So, yeah, our whole playbook is based off of candlesticks, volume, price action, and candle closures and ranges. Oh, Nightbot's spitting right now. Oh, man. Marco, man, we're praying for you too, bro. Pray healing over you right now, in this instant, right now, at this very moment, that you have a speedy recovery, bro. Sorry to hear that, man. 6 floors, though, huh? Good story to tell your grandchildren. As long as you're okay, you're typing in the chat, let us rejoice. Where's Mike? Mike usually comes in later, doesn't he? When Mike gets here, we'll mic him up. Maybe we'll get him mic'd up too and bring him on Zoom here. What do you say? Mikey 2 times. What up, Yanosh? Yanosh in the building. We got motion with Yanosh here. is 400K in drawdown. Yeah, I'm in drawdown like I think like 0.2%. Yeah, so let me show you guys. You guys gonna have to look over here. But these are the trades, right, that I've taken on this account. So I've taken 3 trades here. One winner, one loser, one more winner. Yep, so down just a little bit here. So looking to get this account now in profits and get it moving. Oh, hopefully I didn't mess it up here. Uh-oh, what'd I do? Oh, hold on. Wait, can you guys see that now? Yeah, right? Alright, sweet. Let's see. We do a little mic. Off the face, what's going on? Good morning, Forex Frank. Good to see you here today. Good to see you here. Oh, you guys don't want to see my history? Huh? Alright. Alrighty. Yeah, perfect. All right, so 7:30 is here. Let's see if we can get this candle to close back bearish in the range here on pound yen. And then we've got nice clean candles, right, coming down. So that looks pretty clean. Gold closed bullish. Gold closed bullish here. Interesting. So gold closed bullish, but 1 hour is still open. 30-minute is now forming this range here. So I think NY open is going to be the play here. Yeah, let's see if this 1 hour candle will actually close bullish here, because we may come down and actually close bearish, right? So let's see what happens. When am I coming to Miami? I'm not too sure. I don't have any plans to get down there right now. Gold 4 hour has no bottom wick. Yep, you're right. Yes. What up, Mr. Volatility? Good morning. Oh, thank you, Clueless. What up, Sandman? How you feeling, bro? Sandman in the building. Oh, Virginia. Ooh, when was the last time I was in Virginia? You guys ever been to Reston, Virginia? You guys ever been to, Reston? Been to Reston. I've been to... I forget. Don't they all kind of have the same tune in Virginia? Like each area is like the same word. What up, Trill? Reston. Yeah, Reston's coming up. Yeah. Yeah, my life changed forever in Reston, Virginia at a business conference, man. Long time ago, probably 11 years ago now. Reston, Virginia, baby. Is that where I met Mr. V? That's where I seen Mr. V speak for the first time. Yep. Oh wow, pretty pretty Pebbles? I didn't know that actually. Oh, damn. Any advice down 7% on a funded account? Yeah, keep a cool, calm head. Just trade by trade, right? Get it back. If you're a profitable trader, negative 7% shouldn't really be much of an issue. Just get it back, right? Just stay composed in that drawdown, and just trade by trade, man. Trade by trade. Don't get yourself all wild up on a mission to make all this money back. Just continue to be a professional and continue to trade your strategy. I mean, if it's a profitable one, right? If not, you may need to fine tune it. But if it is and you've seen profit before and you're consistent with it, just stay cool, calm, and continue looking for the next best setup. Yeah, don't revenge trade, stress it. Just I'm all about letting things just come naturally, right? Letting everything just come naturally in its own divine time, right? You don't want to force things, especially trading, right? But it has to do with life too. But you don't really want to force it, right? You want to let it. And there was a point where we had some people. They were like, I don't know, less than like 0.5% away from passing their funding challenges, and I just told them, just let it come naturally. Don't try and get it done today, right? If it gets done today, great, right? If it naturally gets done today, awesome. But you know what? You don't want to try and force something and then you just put yourself on a path of destruction, right? Because then you feel bad. You took an unnecessary loss. You were only 0.5% away, and now you're 2.5% away, and it just becomes a downward spiral at that point, right? So just let everything come naturally. Don't try and force a thing in trading. Let it fall into your lap, and just always be on the lookout for the next best setup. Good morning, AJ. That's good. What up, Shad? Good to see you, Shad. What's up, brother? Shad in the building, everyone. Question: if a candle has 85% to have a top and bottom wick, couldn't you base all your buys and sells on candles that do not have it? That's a good idea. No, because before there's also something else, right? If I'm going to take a sell, the previous candle needs to be bearish, right? So that kind of cancels out that idea, unless it's like a celery play. There we go. Now the 1 hour is flipping bearish. 30-minute is, oh, nice little 30-minute celery play here too. But we're going against the bias here, right? So we don't want to jump on these sells, right? You don't want to sell too quick on gold in this range, because this range is very prone for fake outs, right? There again, we were talking about it earlier, but being that we're bullish, right? We can catch fake outs here, right? We can catch fake outs here today. We can catch fake outs here. Right, we're going to take our sells, but not until we get a range 2 breakout, right? So we want to see something like this, and then we'll take our sells, because these fake outs can happen anywhere in here for price to move back up with the bullish trend. So and this is when I used to scalp real quick sometimes, but my win rate kind of sucked at that point. Like, I'm gonna just scalp the sell. Quick little 3 pips. Just to get my fix. Scratch my neck. That brother's starving. Bro, my problem is discipline. How could I manage it? You can't manage it. You got to conquer it. Right? You got to start with the little things and you got to work your way up. Little disciplines equal big disciplines. Start with the little things, bro. Little things. Right? If you can't be disciplined, there's not a shot you're going to be disciplined at big things, right? You got to start small. Start small, work your way up. Understand that you're not the only one that struggles with discipline, right? And you're not the only one who struggled with it and then came out the other side more disciplined than anyone they know, right? So you can do this, right? You just got to get grounded, get centered, and work on those disciplines, right? Start small, work your way up. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. If you make excuses, you're done. No excuse will do on your way to the top, my friends. Do you have any videos indicating the support in the ranges? Yeah, check out the range 1, range 2 breakout video. I think that's going to be good for you. With the right group, I'm in flow state, baby. Oh, yeah. Yeah, check those videos out. I think that'll be clean. What up, Johnny boy?
Hey, morning, Nick. What's up?
Good to see you, brother.
Good to see you too, bro. How you doing?
Man, proud of you, bro.
There.
You killing this
Thank
thing,
you, bro.
man.
Appreciate you.
You killing
proud
this
of you, bro,
LIFE
as well.
thing here, bro.
Thank you, bro.
18
You're killing it
years
as well,
old.
bro.
I don't know many 18-year-olds like you, man. They don't build them like that no more.
Nice. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you for that. So, shoot, I don't know anyone who's like you, bro, who comes every day, day in and day out, same mentality, comes hard every day, hungry. I don't see anyone that's hungry. So, grateful as hell for you, bro. And I love you.
Cheers.
Appreciate your words. Yeah, bro. Let's let God work.
Amen, brother. Amen.
Yes,
Cheers
sir.
to the future. A bright one.
Cheers.
Yes,
Very
sir.
bright, very. Sir, let's go. Happy Tuesday, bro.
Yep. Happy Tuesday.
Yep.
Almost at
chat.
that midway point.
Yep, almost there at home day. Happy Tuesday, chat. Good morning, everyone in Zoom. What's going on? Hope you guys are having a great morning. Productive morning as well. And I hope you guys are ready to trade gold and GJ. Let's do it.
Yeah, man. Yep.
Hey, chat. Nick, I'm sure Nick reminded you a bit earlier, but hey, it's just another day, right? We bring the same energy every day. It's just another day of following the plan, the playbook setups, working out our discipline muscle and patient muscle, and let's have a good day, right?
Yes, sir. Let's have fun today, chat. Just have fun today.
Yeah. Enjoy our day while being productive and professionals.
Boom. Oh, it is Taco Tuesday. That's right, Z Gamer. It is Taco Tuesday. I'm not sure if I'll have tacos tonight. Maybe I will. Maybe some steak tacos. We'll see.
Yeah, it sounds fire.
Yeah, maybe we'll do it. Oh, we're having
Taco
tacos
Tuesday.
on Thursday, though. Oh, yeah, I forgot about that.
Oh, yeah.
tacos on Thursday.
Well, who said it was wrong to have it twice a week? I mean,
T-bone taco. Oh, London stream's coming soon, chat. They're coming closer and closer, like legit.
there. Just wait on the chat. Give me some time, right?
Give them some time. They're like, yo, come on,
we
bro.
gonna run it up.
We've given you time.
We gonna run it up. I gotta get settled in.
They're gonna
Get my
stick you
setup
up.
going.
Stick you up for that London sesh. I want that London session now. What made you become more disciplined? My desire to win. I know winners are disciplined. I know people don't become champions. People don't become successful without it. So I knew if I was going to do those things, I would have to master discipline. And I just started working. Started working on it. You was on Raja? Yeah, Raja? Yeah. Yep. All right. NY Open here in about 12 minutes.
I like seeing gold coming down.
Me too.
Need some support. Yeah.
Please, sir, do a webinar on YouTube. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start doing that actually. Maybe we'll start doing webinars on different topics. Some of them may not even necessarily relate to, I mean, everything kind of relates to trading, right? When you are a trader or when you trade. But yeah, I was thinking about that. Definitely. If you guys want, put something in the Discord. Maybe we'll make a channel here for, I don't know, content or something. And if you guys want to do some webinars, we'll do them live, and then we'll put them up on YouTube. We'll keep them up there, and you know, we could do all different stuff, right? We could talk about association, we could talk about reading, we could talk about personal growth and development, whatever, you know, it's all different topics. I'm down to run it. I'm always down. Yeah, that's true, TK. Because otherwise, you just keep going down, down, down. What makes you stay so positive? I don't know. I got the light and the life of all men within me, so I think that just keeps me pumped up. I got a dream too, right? Man without a vision will perish, right? But when you got a dream, you got something to wake up for every day. You can get excited, right? You have a why, right? You're living on purpose. So I think that's what keeps me pretty pumped up.
And just like any successful person, he has to be responsible for himself and accountable, right? For how he's thinking and how he lives his life. So he's got to make sure his thoughts are good, right? If he wants to live a successful, positive life. Got to make sure he's talking to himself correctly. And that takes accountability over your mind and responsibility.
Go read James chapter 3. Right, and we talk about the tongue, right, and how the tongue creates your life, right? It directs your life. They talk about you know, those little bits, right, that you would put in a horse's mouth, and you can direct that horse to go wherever you want it to go just by pulling on that bit, right? And very similar, we have a tongue, right, and it's very similar to a ship, right? You have these big massive ships. And what are they mainly controlled by? They're controlled by a very small rudder, right? And that rudder gives that ship direction. That rudder will also navigate that ship during storms and big waves and, you know, exciting, you know, ocean conditions, right? It'll still be able to get it to a destination. And just like that ship has a rudder, us as humans, we have a tongue, right? And that tongue there's life and death in that tongue, right? And that tongue will either bring you closer to your desired destination or bring you closer to destruction. All how you use that tongue. And I've seen that happen in my life. I've also seen the negative of that happen in the lives of others. And I'm scared to talk bad, right? I want to talk good. I want to talk uplifting things. I want to stay focused on what is good, what is pure, right? What is going to give me energy, right? To stay positive and, you know, stay up and up. MG.
Yeah,
MG.
McLaren OP. Hey, what's up, Green?
That's true.
So true. Negative mind will never give positive results, right?
Yeah.
That's why I know if you go up to anyone and ask, hey, would you rather a negative life or a positive life? I'm sure a majority, if not all of them, would say they would want a positive life, right? And to get that positive life, you have to feed yourself positive thoughts, right? Because the positive mind will equal that positive result. So, you know, it takes, like I said, accountability and responsibility of yourself to think those thoughts, right? Even though you might not want to think positively, you're going to have to trick yourself or force yourself to, right? It's going to take self-effort to think positively so you can get that positive result, right? You might not want to think positively, but you're going to have to put effort into it and actually force yourself to think positively so you can get that positive result, you know?
Yep.
Not every day you're going to want to wake up and feel good. It's going to take effort, responsibility, accountability, all that.
It is. You know, it doesn't really take much effort to be negative, right? The world will kind of just let you smooth on by, right? As a negative person, it's only when you become positive that, right? My mentor used to tell me, successful people always experience violent opposition from mediocre minds, right? You're stepping out, you're becoming different, you're going against the grain, so you're gonna have to fight that, right? And in order to do that, what you're speaking to yourself, if you don't have good self-talk, you're done, right? You're done. People are just gonna talk you out of it, right? But when you're speaking to yourself properly, and you're in line with what you want to do, that's when you can that's how you can combat those people, right? Because you're gonna deal with it, right? No matter what, whether it's parents, family, people who know you when you're, you know, a kid, right? They don't believe you can do big things, right? But you gotta believe that, right? In order for you to really believe it, you gotta, you know, straight up repetition to the mind, man. Repetition.
You gotta live the life that you want to live. Like, you gotta start today. Like, you want to be that skinny person, that smart person, you gotta start putting those habits, those good habits, you gotta start them today that are gonna make you that person you want to be. Right?
Yep.
Be that person you desire, be that person today. Start today.
Yep. Good morning, Dragon Host FX. What's good? Joe Stewart. What up, Joe?
Let's do it. X.
All right. 4 minutes on this hourly candle closure here. GJ pumped up here. I'm overconfident. Yeah. Sometimes that could be a problem. You know, you have to learn how to really dial things. Really dial things in. All right. 4 minutes for the NY Open. See what happens here. CAD news should bring some volume in. Yes. CAD news should bring some volume. Yeah, facts. What up, Muhammad? What's going on?
Good.
Yo, that's too funny. Oh snap! The website's gone. Oh damn. They're wiped off the planet.
They should be. They're gone forever.
They're gone, baby. They're gone.
Just like Sam would say, they're gone.
Yeah, you guys aren't actually expecting to get something back from these guys, are you? I mean, I hope not, right? I hope not.
They're not coming back.
It's gone. Which time in Tampa does London start and end? Like 2 in the morning.
Yeah, like 1:30 a.m. Eastern to like 4:30 a.m. Eastern. Well, London closed. Well, London closed at 11:30 Eastern, but that's when you'll see the volume in the London sesh.
Hey, yo, what up, Scott? Morning, brother.
Good morning, Scott.
His Bugatti is gone. Yeah. All right. 1 minute here, and gold looks like it's going to close up here in the no trade range. Bearish candle. So we will wait for probably 8:30, right? If we can, let's see what happens here, right? If we can create support on the 15 and close back above, then there may be some opportunities for us here. If not, we may want to come a little bit lower and create that support. So we'll see. If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. If you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, man. Pull up on us every day. We're here every day. Monday through Friday. But we won't be here this Friday. Oh, nice. Cool, cool. Oh, yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, this candle's most likely going to close bearish here, which is pretty good, right? We want to see some sort of retracement here for possibly the move back up. See what GJ's looking like. GJ just pushed up here, filled this range. Filled the range after the closure. All right, candle did close. Same thing on gold. So gold, you know, you should see a move down here, right? But we don't want to take these sells because this is where the fake out can happen. So if we do get a 15-minute closure back above the range, let's just double check here. Then I think we are pretty clean to move up here. Yeah. So if we get a 8:15 close, we will look to have buy stops and take advantage of the comics open, and also take advantage of 8:30 coming in with the CAD news, right? We should have a lot of volume. So we got to hang tight though, because things don't line up just yet, right? Not yet. Oi, Sam Capital's here.
Hey.
Free the man.
And the man.
Free the man. Let's free him up.
Open the cage. Open a cell.
Oh, did someone's like, oh wait, open a cell?
No, no. Don't sell, Chuck.
Did he just say open a sell?
All right, I'm selling.
What up, Sammy boy?
What's up, Sam?
All right.
Don't like the Undertaker. Did you hear that?
No, we just heard you say Undertaker.
What? Are you serious? You didn't hear any of that?
Nah.
Nothing.
What? Bro, I was
Nothing.
holding the phone up to the mic like this and it was playing the Undertaker theme song when I
Oh,
joined.
no way.
Wow,
Yeah,
bro.
I didn't even hear that.
The bells. Dong.
Oi!
What's going on, boys? Going
What up,
on,
my guy?
boys?
Hey, Sam.
How you feeling, big
Beautiful
dog?
day, baby. Hey, I'm feeling wonderful. We got another
Hey, that's
beautiful day in front of us.
Sure.
Oh,
That's all I can hear.
yes.
Another day to be
Yeah.
disciplined.
Yep.
Yeah.
Another day to be beasts.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Another-
hey.
another-
Look at that in the chat.
Another beautiful day of scalping gold with the boys in chat.
Oh,
What's
yeah.
up?
Yes,
Give me
sir.
1 sec. I'll be right back.
Yeah, nah, I wasn't speaking Portuguese, shit. I don't know. Is that something in Portuguese? Oi. I just say that all the time. Oi. I don't know.
Yeah, that's fun. Yeah, y'all chat saying it.
Dude, it's hilarious, man. One time we were in the casino, like me and all my boys, and this was like months ago. Dude, when we were just sitting there at I think it was roulette, and I would just kept going on red every time, and it kept smacking, bro. And it's like 12 of us. Oi, oi, do the whole fucking.
Yo. Bro, we link, bro. We link in PA or whatever. You gotta
Oi.
take me, bro. Take to
Take to the casino.
yeah, let's go.
Dude, this guy comes every single day and says it's gone. How about this?
You gone.
I'm gone.
Gone. We do say oi in Portugal. Aha. What does it mean though? Is it just like hi? What up? That's just like kind of how I say it. Oi.
Let us know what it means.
What up, Virtual City? Sounds Aussie. Does sound Aussie. That's where Sam's penthouse is. It's an Aussie penthouse. Oi!
Sounds like something in 2020.
I'm scared of kangaroos, bro. That's the only thing I'm scared of.
Bro,
Yeah, actually.
they could fight.
I would have nightmares every single day for years, bro, about like kangaroos like coming up out my basement to kill me when I was a kid. Yeah, they would come. And I think it's like you hear my heartbeat,
Yeah.
but it's like them coming up the steps. Boom, 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 boom. And as they get
Damn.
closer, it's faster.
Kangaroo is great.
Yeah.
Yeah, 15-minute buys aren't looking too bad if we get a closure above. Let's just take a look left one more time. Yeah, pretty clean traffic, man, up until, what is this, 1938, pretty much on the dot.
Yeah, looks good.
Good.
Yeah, that's that wick fill too right there. So 820 high volume wicks to be filled. We'll see. Calm down, candle, calm down. Hang tight.
You're loud.
One question. Fibonacci pivot, same as support and resistance? Yeah, a lot of times it can be, right? I bet if we pulled up a fib, you would see, I don't know, 50, right? 50% level? Right? Isn't that what you guys usually look for? Let's pull it from here. Oh, yeah. 50%. There you go. So it can act like that, yes. Another TTE fight, Sam versus Kangaroo.
Yeah, that's like the boss fight for me, bro.
Sam fights all types of
I'll take,
animals. Bears.
yeah, I'll take bears, gorillas, kangaroos dead last.
I'll take bears. Shiro versus Raj.
Yeah.
That's fun.
Yo, you guys are funny. Damn. The Discord, Raja. You don't want to mess with Raja Banks with those guns, son. Hey, that boy's getting big. Bro, you can tell Raja's putting in work in the gym. All right, keeping a clean diet. Yeah, we'll see if we get a closure above here. Not too bad. Viraj is the GOAT. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He is. All right, cool. We got 5 minutes here. 5 minutes. We do have CAD news coming in at 8:30 too, so that should really drive price. And if price is pretty bullish here, then we may see a nice push up. Do I use the DXY as reference to gold? Sometimes. Sometimes I'll go look at it. Not always. Pushing down. So gold should be pushing up. GJ, wow. GJ really cruising up here. Did we break the daily highs now? Yeah, we broke those daily highs there. So GJ broke the daily highs. 1 hour did not close above there though. So we're going to need to wait on that. But we have broken those daily highs there. How many pips should a candle wick be? It's not, it doesn't go by that. It's more so, there is really no set answer for that, right? There's no like, it's gotta be 10 pips or 5 pips or 20 pips. Like if this candle, let's say closes above this range, right? I would expect the next candle to at least kind of like tap back into that range that it left, right? And then you see there's some other candles over here, right? If we can like kind of basically, you know, kiss them in a way, right? Come down, give them a little tap kiss and move up. That's typically what I look for. Deal cancels all prop firms. Yeah, yep. All right, 2 minutes chat. Lock it in here. May have some buy stops going in. Holding for kisses.
Gee. Good.
Yeah, 815. We'll also have 820 here, and then we'll have more volume with 830. You like the music? Oh, nice. Yeah, let's see. We need to close with a wick too on the top, right? So if we close with no top wick, then there probably won't be anything for us. But if we can pull back and close right around, you know, 222 here, that would be awesome. That's my theme song. Oh, pull back, pull back. Pull back. 90% chance of no top. Oh, candle's moving here. Slow down. Okay, moving up. Moving up. Yep. If we close with no top wick, we gotta wait for the 30-minute time frame here, which won't be bad, right? Because the support isn't formed on the 30-minute yet, right? So if this candle, this 30-minute, can push up and after breaking this high now and pull back for the closure, then we can have that same position here on a higher time frame. Yeah, and then you also, that's right, you also have this other resistance here too on the 30. So we'll keep that in mind here now.
Yeah, I wasn't liking that.
So 15-minute candle did close here, popped up, broke the high pretty much right away. Let's take a look left. Yeah, I say we wait for 8:30 here. I think that's going to be our best bet. Let this 15-minute pull back a little bit, and then 8:30 can set us up. Now, the only issue here is comics, right? Comics might break the high and push us up, but I think it's worth waiting for news unless maybe price can come tap back into these levels down here like we talked about. No deal. Yeah, we got CAD news coming up here too at 8:30. What do you think about the CAD news, Sam?
CAD news, CAD CPI. I believe they're forecasting it to come out a little higher. I mean, in terms of gold and everything, you might see like a little bit of a spike for the first couple of seconds, but other than that, these dudes, cat news, no cats. Does CAD news affect gold? Yeah, no, not too much. Like I said, you might see a little bit just because it's CPI. You might see a little bit of volume hit the market, but how can you predict news bias? Well, it depends what you mean by that, sir. Yeah, like let me think of an example. Like, do you mean for a news event or like total market sentiment? But I mean, I don't know. I guess the way to answer that would be to just to understand what the overall impact of the news is on price. I mean, no matter what it is. What about building permits? Yeah, that shouldn't have too much of an effect on gold at all.
Building permits. That's at 8:32, right? That's some light news though.
Yeah. The orange folder.
We do a little orange folders.
A little bit.
Oh, wait, bro, I was looking at the pound CPI. That's tomorrow. What are they expecting for CAD? They're expecting the forecast to be down.
Yeah, the Nasdaq created support yesterday too here, so you may move up. You may move up here today, right? On the Nasdaq. So the daily closed bullish yesterday. We actually never filled this low here, this wick. So it looks like we did close bullish yesterday, creating a support. Now price has created a bottom wick. We also did make a high here, so let's go ahead on the 4 hours, see what that high looks like. Yeah, so you got a pretty nice resistance here that you're looking at, and then you also have a support right here, right? And this is kind of the range now that the Nasdaq is trading in on the 4 hour time frame. So you do have clean traffic above. You also have some pretty clean traffic below as well. Let's go ahead and let's see what these wicks represent here. All these wicks. Let's see what that looks like on the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame is stuck, right? It's in a range here. You have a very heavy level of support. You also have a very strong level of resistance here. And then this is the current range, right? So this is your range that you're trading in. Let's take a look at the 30 minute. 30 minutes, very similar, especially with the resistances. So let's see here. Yeah, you get closures below here. You may see a push down, right, to fill this range. And then there's more sells below 15213 here. So wait for fake outs here to go back up. I'm sorry, I said sells, I meant buys, right? Let's wait for fake outs here for price to move back up. If not, then we may be forced to wait for buys above, this resistance here. And then, you know, if you're looking for sells, you may be able to catch your sells coming down from here. But buys are going to be the move today. Based off the daily, we want to anticipate this daily candle flipping bullish and moving on up, right? So that's kind of like what we're anticipating. So let's mark these levels off, and we'll revisit this around 37 minutes, right? So we want to see this 4-hour candle close. Still no wick on that 4-hour candle, huh?
Yep. Interesting.
That's why I really wanted that pullback on gold,
Yeah.
especially the 1 hour, man.
All we got really was this consolidation. We didn't get an actual healthy pullback. We just got
literally.
consolidation. That was it.
Yeah. Grab a little
Look at
pack
gold.
on the 1 hour, but other than that, she's just going
Mhm.
parabolic.
Yeah.
I'd have
Yeah.
never taken an
Yeah.
entry though. I would never. Yeah. That was like 5 minutes before 8 a.m.
Daily candle looking juicy though.
Facts.
I think how this daily candle closes is gonna give us a huge amount of information on how FOMC is gonna go tomorrow.
Mm.
Right, because if it gives us a bearish closure today, this is super thinking in the future, right? But if we get a bearish closure today, then that 25 BPS hike is like, boom, I'll put the house on that. Just because it's like, why else would we close bearish, right? And price action is king. You always see the price action play out before.
Yep.
So
yeah, that makes sense.
Facts, that's true.
All right, we got 5 minutes left on this 30-minute candle. It'd be nice if we see a very quick reaction to the downside as the news comes out on CAD or something, and then move bullish, right? And then we could enter on like the flip of the candle or something like that. GJ pushing. Yeah, let's take a look. Yeah, GJ pushing. After breaking those highs, he's seen a pretty solid push up. Yeah, so now we can kind of shift our ideas here on GJ and potentially look for buys in this clean trading range here. So this is going to be the resistance that you want to see a closure above. Without this closure above, anything can happen. Well, anything can happen in the next 35 minutes here. GJ can close right back below this range, right? We got 35 minutes on the head, and we need to wait for this 1 hour candle to close. Did the 30, yeah, 30, maybe if the 30 closes above too, but 1 hour closure, 4 hour closure, probably our best bet. Go up, go down. Yep, exactly. That's the life. Look at gold. We're looking at it. We are looking at gold. Oh, no, we're not. GJ.
I like to see.
Oh, there we go. Big motion.
Really want to see a pullback here, man. Because look at the previous 1 hour candles, you know? Like, it would just make sense for this. It needs a pullback. I mean, small body candles, rejecting the upside, rejecting that resistance at 1937, the 1 hour and 30.
pullback about to get sticky.
Yeah.
Pullback about to get sticky.
Yeah, it is.
Icky, icky, icky.
Yeah, so that's why we didn't want to enter that 15-minute, right? Just not a good setup there.
Not for real.
Let's see here. 2 wins, 1 loss. Current 0.5%. No, I think I'm 0.1 or 2%. Wait, 0. I don't know. What's 900? What is it? 900 to 400k. If 4,000 is 1%, what's 900? That's probably like, I don't know, point 2?
2.2.
0.35? There you go. Yeah, 0.35. Barcode strategy, let's go. All right, we're going to sell on the next candle here. It's actually...
Oh, barcode strategy.
Lesson on waiting for candles to close. There you go. Yep. Let's wait on it.
Facts, and I believe looking at the higher time frames, not the lower time frames.
Oh,
Might look
0.22.
good on the 15, but
Yeah, it looked good on the 15, but 15 is low confirmation. 30 is going to be our best confirmation.
Yeah.
Yeah, in my opinion, and I've always thought like this, 30-minute time frame is the best confirmation time frame. I even like it better than the 1 hour because you're able to jump on the 1 hour move before the 1 hour, right, does it. So I think it's perfect because it's not a cheaper 15 move, right? 15 works in certain times, but that 30 is always going to be your best friend. Always going to be your best friend. 5 obviously is way too much information going on, a lot of up and all over the place, right? The 5 is very unpredictable, but the 30 is something that you can lock in and rely on. Full margin Tuesdays, yeah. Yeah, let's do it.
full margin Tuesday.
Yes, stop loss, no stop loss, 100% win rate. Blow a couple accounts, but that's all good. No stop. Hey Nick, I didn't sign up to be a mathematician. Hey, you guys figured it out, although we got 3 different numbers. I don't know how that one works, but we got 0.35, 0.25, and 0.22. So we'll just say we're in the ballpark there because I didn't sign up to be a mathematician either. Oh, look at this. 30-minute closed. Did we close above? Oh, I think we closed above here. $13 pip stops. Let's take a look at this 1 hour candle. Oof. 1 hour is breaking the lows there. Yeah, it's a bit choppy. Let's see if we break these lows.
Yeah, you got that resistance, like not even 10 pip, like 10
Yeah,
pips
because
away.
there's another resistance right here. So we got to be careful there. Okay, so we took those lows out. Do we get a pack runner here? That's the question. Do we move up on the pack runner? Yeah, it's pumping here.
With this 1 hour
pumping.
look. Yeah.
15 closure, but back bearish. Look at that. Nice drive down there. Pack runner versus barcode. The barcode's winning. We're on to something.
Look, the candle body on the 1 hours have been getting smaller and smaller, and then
Yep, exactly.
turn
1
around,
hour is really
pull back.
chalky. Simple. What up, James? Good morning. Gapped on MT5.
Background reverse.
Now, what if it just grabbed 1 hour pack? Maybe the pack runner is winning.
Ooh.
And that too.
Ooh.
Nice.
You never know. You never know.
Who will win? The barcode
We gonna see.
or the
We gonna
pack
see
runner?
now.
Yeah, 15 drove down. 1 hour got a bottom wick now. 4 hour nothing yet though. So I'm very curious, right, on this 4 hour chart because, you know, this candle, you have a resistance right there, right? That this candle never closed above, this one right here. And the next candle pumped up, yes, very nicely, right? But it had very little to no bottom wick. So can this be an exhaustion wick for price to close bearish? Right? And to move back down here? Oh, I don't know. Ooh, we'll have to wait and see. Doesn't look like it though. Let's here's another opportunity to sample size this move here. So let's see if we end up breaking these highs now and pumping up. Right? Remember the 30 did close above here. So let's see if the pack runner will play out again. Homework time.
Yeah. I'm curious because that was one heck of a pack.
30 and 1 hour.
Oh, look at this.
Oh.
Nice support here being formed. My only issue is the last 15 of the 4 hour coming.
Yeah.
And that, my friends, may cause a pullback. And if that pulls back, then that means gold's going to move down. Right? So, but remember, that may have, yeah, someone said the CAD news. That's what kind of we expected, right? For price to shoot down right away and then go up and break these highs. So we'll see what happens here. But we have the new 15 of the 4 hour candle coming up, or the last 15 of the 4 hours. So we'll wait. Smells like blood. Scotty boy, where's them 30-minute salaries? Where's them 9:30 salaries,
Yes,
bro?
Scott.
Scott's gonna be handing out 9:30 salary plays real soon. Real soon in the trade recap channel.
It's a fact.
Yeah, I think after the Fed speaks here, we should be pretty clean for like the remainder of the year.
Yeah. They'll have one more FOMC meeting in November. and
Oh,
that'll be
that's
the last
right.
one for the year. Yeah.
There is one more. Yup.
But the thing is, we'll be at that point where I don't see any more future rate hikes coming. Like the very last chance for one will be tomorrow, in my opinion.
Yeah.
We'll have to see, you know, obviously, like when November comes, that's ways away. But, you know, they're definitely not going to cut rates. They're not going to start dropping them right after, you know. So,
Yeah.
if anything, they're just going to be holding them in November, talking about the state of the economy, what they're expecting going in 2024. Oh, yeah.
Let's see what lies they want to make up to us.
Yeah. Pretty much.
See what the BS is.
Hit him with the quag. All right, so just a range game here, right? Not much happening, just another range game here. We need a breakout, right? We need some sort of direction. So I would love if price comes down here, right? To give the 4 hour here a bottom wick. And then whatever we want to do from there, we could do.
I agree.
But it would make sense, right? Last 15 is coming up. This 15 is probably going to close strong bearish. And then you may see another drive down towards like 1933, 500 here. Yeah, maybe even further down. And that'll be fine, right? That'll be fine because that will move this candle bearish. And then we can look for our sells. Look how much clean traffic there is for sells today, right? You have this clean range coming down to 1930. And then below 1930, you have clean range coming back down to 1923, 1924 here. So, yeah, let's wait on this and see what direction price wants to go. That 4 hour candle is going to give us a big clue here. Big clue. GJ, we're just waiting for resistance to form. That's all. Discord, oh yeah, there you go. There's the Discord link. Let's see if this let's see if this candle closes bearish. It wouldn't surprise me on the 1 hour time frame, being that there's no top wick here, no bottom wick here. Wouldn't surprise me if we get that, start to get that resistance now. So not too bad here on pound yen. If we're gonna, you know, we broke the highs here, but we can still come on down. All depends on how this 4 hour closes. This range right here, this resistance at 183.345 is gonna be very key. Very, very key. Hey, did you guys everyone in the signals channel, did you guys get the signals the message? If you guys didn't get that message yet, go check out the signals channel. We're gonna make some updates to the signals channel. A lot of improvements going on in there too. So there's a message in there. We need you guys to make sure you have done what we've asked, and please do it before October 1st. So if you've missed it, go check it out, and you'll be good. How's the 400K challenge going, bro? It's going good. It's going good. We've only taken 3 trades on it, so we haven't really got much action on it. But took 2 wins and 1 loss. Yeah, we're gonna switch over to the signal room, so I don't want anybody getting left behind. So I need you guys to do that for me. You take trades, the one you sent in the signal channel? What do you mean? Yeah. This is the signals channel right here. So this is how all the trades come in. You basically get an order, and we're actually moving you guys over. So it's gonna be a different layout, different format too, and yeah, it's gonna be clean. It's gonna be a lot more efficient too. Everything's gonna come in a lot quicker with complete accurate information on exactly what I have on my MT5. So yeah, we figured out a way to get MT5 connected to it.
Nope.
Yeah, 1 hour coming down on GJ. This is good. This is lovely here. This is money. 4 hour. If the 4 hour closes below here too, probably gonna make our move down. How much is it? If you can find it, you can find it. Thinking about buying a challenge? Yeah. Side. A little afraid. I feel you. Any of you guys start your own personal accounts after all this? DJ's going down. Oh, you took a buy. All good, all good. Burn the ships. That's right, Scott. Burn the ships. If they go down, we're going down with them. Is this the latest link? Yes. Yeah, the one that Nightbot put, that should be good. Is there any chance that gold may retest 1924? Oh yeah, there's a chance gold can do anything. Right? 1924 is all the way down here though, right? I can, you know, that may take some time. But yeah, that's if we are looking for sells today, that is one of our targets, right? That is going to be our main target here. But we got to get through this range first, and then we can probably start looking towards 1924 here. But good eye, way to see, you know, some nice targets there, because that's where we were yesterday, right? We were trading right around this area here yesterday. So yeah, we may come down here. Let's see how that 4 hours doing. 4 hours working on staying above or creating that bottom wick. 1 hour moving down nicely though here.
Thanks.
Any update on FOMC? That'll be tomorrow. Oh, 1927. Yeah, 1927 too. Yep. Yeah, it's gonna be like your midway mark, or a little bit more than midway, but yep, 1927. Looks pretty clean. Is there any lifetime purchase? Yeah, if you just drop down the stream, you'll be able to see everything that we got there. Yeah, drop down the YouTube channel or whatever, and you'll see it. Oh, I have negative 70% drawdown. Oh. Caught some pips off the gold sell. Nice. Nice, nice.
All I'm gonna say to that one comment is, don't try to make your 70% back in one day. It's gonna take some time, right? You following your plan every day will help it naturally get back up there. Don't look to make that all back this day.
Yeah, this new 15 should drive us down. That should drive us down to give this candle a bottom wick, and we may flip bearish, close back below these resistances after this huge rejection, and start moving down. We'll see. This next 15 tells a big story here. If not, then this is the support we're looking for, right? Potential fake outs here to continue up. So let's see what goes down. Hey, that's a clean looking penthouse, I'll be honest. He has everything so neat every day. It's like it doesn't even move.
Look at that view. Look at that view.
It's like that pillow right there. It's like he's so rich, doesn't even use the couch. That pillow hasn't moved in weeks.
As you could just tell. Yo, if you want a view like that, and a crib like that, start following the plan. Start following the playbook. Because it could be yours too.
Yeah, yesterday was a good day to stay away from the markets. I thought yesterday, if you guys stayed, you know, sat on your hands yesterday, I think that was a good opportunity, right? Because price was really just all over the place here, right? All over the place. 30-minute was super barcodey, right? And then the previous, all these other candles were all very small candles, right? So not a good trading day yesterday. You finally did get that breakout here, but candle closed with no top wick, so. I remember the first challenge I blew up wasn't even 1% down to the last hour of the oh wow.
That's explains a lot.
Oh yeah. I used to blow challenges in a day. Any of you guys do that? I've blown a few challenges in one day. Just trying to rip up. Just literally trying to do the impossible. Yeah, yesterday was choppy. You're right.
Yeah, Mimo, I mean, you know the lesson. I mean, you just use a stop loss. What, you know?
Shoot.
Can't expect price to not like continue to drive.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, like what stop losses purposes, it's there to protect you from losing more money. So it makes sense why you're losing a lot more money than you wanted to.
Yep. Let's take a look here. Yeah, GJ below here looks pretty good, man. You got a closure below, drove down, closure below here, drove down, closure below, drove down. So it looks pretty good. Yeah, if we get closures back below, then you may see a nice drive down here. We'll take advantage of that.
So we could use previous candle stops too.
Yep. Gold trolling. Yeah, gold trolling before news, man. Gold is trolling. We're waiting for the Fed here. I bought a funded account in the morning, blew it at lunch. Yeah. Blown in 15 minutes. Man, I remember one day I was having such a great day. And it was towards the end of the session and I got greedy. I was having such a good day. I was up like 3%. Ended up hitting max daily drawdown that day. Sheesh.
Bro, I think I remember that day.
Sheesh. We like to troll. 15 minutes is crazy. You got your account details and blowing the account.
All right.
All right. Send another send some more credentials this way. Here's the 500. Jeez. Jeez Louise. I'm like, nah, I need that before the next 30-minute closure. No lot. blow your account, just buy a new one before the next 30-minute closure. You're over there typing the credit card number in wrong. It comes
That's some
back
FU
saying it's
money.
rejected. Both emails next to each other. You got three My Forex Funds emails stacked on top of each other.
Your new account details.
Yeah. The dashboard didn't even generate yet. And it's gone.
Dashboard
for real.
exposes.
The dashboard can't even keep up with these accounts. Oh my goodness. I remember I blew my account the day before my payout. Ooh. That's tough.
Damn. So I don't want to mess with the overall, the daily drawdown rule. I don't want to mess with it.
Yeah, that's rough. All right, what are we doing? We got 6 minutes here. Shiro. And your account has been blown. You get that email right away. They like freeze your charts. Like you can't even. You're trying to revenge trade. You can't even take a trade. That's messed up. That's messed up.
The email comes in like a second before your stop hits it.
Yo, what
You
was
have
up with that? It's almost like they knew my stop was gonna
It's
get
like,
hit.
Right.
Check your email 2 seconds before your stop loss gets hit. The email's in there already. Oh, whoa, whoa,
Like
whoa.
You're still in the trade and the email comes up. You get the notification.
With a countdown on it, like 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes.
MFF for you. Meanwhile, you gotta hit them up. You gotta email them. You gotta do all the legwork when you pass and work. Try to get your pay out there. But man, when you blow the account, they're like, no problem. We'll make it easy for you. Yeah, we'll give you 10% off your next challenge. We got you.
You want 50% off? We control the broker. It's all good.
Oh. Let's see what Nas 100's doing. Oh, moving down here.
GJ low-key looks better than gold, eh?
GJ's starting to look good. Yep. Gold's still barcode in here for us.
That 4-hour never made a steeper bottom wick.
Nah, I didn't. When they won't let you trade and you don't know why, you're like, what's going on? You're checking like your magic keys settings. The first time it happens to you, you're like, what the hell's going on here? Is my MT5 frozen? Is my magic keys okay? Check your email.
Turn your notifications on.
Which prop firm do I use? Which funding company do I use? I use the Funded Trader now. My life was frozen. Yeah, nasty 1 hour time frame here. Very nasty. Barcode bet on green now? Yo, you might got a point, bro. That barcode strategy is no joke. Hey, Rita. How are you?
Rita?
Nice to see you here. Sam forgot to turn off the lamp. Yeah, he's wasting electricity there. This guy think
You ain't worried about that.
What's this guy thinking? Put it in the microwave. Yeah, nah, that's all good. Like right when me and John talk, we're just like, you know, it is what it is. We're actually kind of pretty happy they got exposed because it stops us from being misled, right? They were really hurting us. I mean, at the end of the day, is who they were hurting. So we're pretty pumped and excited to be on this new journey, right? And with these new accounts and, you know, looking forward to the best. Worst case, we just get a personal account.
And I was looking at the positives, and I was honestly happy about it. I was like, thank you, God, for exposing people who are gonna scam me in the future.
Ditto.
Right? Like, thank God they got caught, or else I would keep getting scammed in the long term.
Yep.
You don't want that.
You don't want that. All right, 4 hour is coming to a close here in 1 minute. Andreas in the building. I forgot to say what up to Andreas. Fresh out of the pen.
Nice.
Beat his neighbor up or something. Hey, sounds like some Harlem stuff, bro. Noise. Dude said I should have just called the cops. Instead of handling that myself. Where's he at? Where's Andres? Yeah, this is good. 4 hour closing. Looks like it's going to close below here too. 15 celery, 30 onion. Possible 1 hour resistance here too. So. Let's see, GJ. All right, 182, 760 is the target. So 4 hour did close below on pound yen. We need to create a top wick here, right? 4 hour close below. Let's let this push up, activate the buyers. 1 hour close below as well. 30-minute close onion play here, and 15 has a potential celery. So let's see if we can get a little bit of a top wick, and then we'll look to have sell stops on pound yen. Give us something a little bit bigger than that. Yeah, because we also have a celery play here. So let's see if we can get a little bit of a steeper top wick here. And then we'll set sell stops. Yeah, I think I like this. I like it.
I like it.
I like it, chat. So yeah, I'm gonna look to have sell stops on pound yen here. Oh, what's going on? Yeah, so I'm gonna have sell stops on the break of the lows here on GJ. Stops are gonna be kept above the previous candle highs. Something like this. you've got a nice 15-minute celery play as well here. So let's see if we can break those lows and come on down.
Yeah, good stops too.
Sell stops on pound yen. Why isn't this activating? There we go. Perfect. Yeah, it looks good to me. And then as far as gold, and if we break these highs, that's totally fine here. Let's go ahead. Let's go back to gold. And let's see what gold's doing. So gold did close bearish, right? You kind of have an onion play here on gold as well. We closed bearish. We kind of jumped out the gate there and moved down. You closed bullish though on the 4-hour chart, right? Closed very strong bullish. You got clean traffic coming up. There is this resistance though, right? So if we can close above this level here, where is it? Let me go back. Yeah, we need to probably close above that resistance. So we have no top wick, right? So if we can get a candle to basically drive down a bit here, grab liquidity, and then close bullish, that's going to be a breakout slash onion play. And we'll see if we can take advantage of that at 9:30 here. GJ coming down, we may start to break these lows here. And then you should see a pretty decent push here on pound yen. Yeah, stops are about 17, 18 pips. So sell stops. And then if we do get activated here, what we'll be looking at is I'm going to look to go break even probably or close partials right around this level here, which is like 183, 188, somewhere around there. May hold till 183, 135, but maybe do something right around there. We'll see. Yeah, that looks good. And then BE will probably be right here. Breaking. Sweet. So that'll be the trade. Let's see if we can get activated now. Did we get... Nope, not yet. Oh, okay, perfect. So I have been activated here, chat. So got into some sells here on pound yen on the break of these lows. It is a 15-minute celery, 30-minute breakout, or 30-minute onion, and looking to see if we can move down now. So break even is going to be right around 183, 224. I'm going to probably close partials a little bit lower than that, probably 183, 188, and then the stops are going to be kept right up here at 183, 475 for about 18 pips. And that's the trade. That is the trade.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Looks pretty clean. We should start heading south, right? 1 hour closed very weak, right at resistance. 4 hour as well, closed right there. The daily candle did break the highs, but is pretty bearish, right? So that's kind of like what we're looking at here. So let's set a partial. Cool. So that'll be the trade. Activated. Yeah, I got slipped a little too. No worries. No worries.
Oh, goody. And remember, chat, in the long term, the outcome of this trade is not going to matter. The only thing that's going to matter is that you followed your plan here. So
Yep. Yep.
Yes, sir.
deep breaths and let your trade play out with
All right.
confidence.
Lovely, lovely, nice push down here. I think I'm going to close partials right here. Closing some partials right there. Also going to move stops to break even. So stop loss to break even, and then we're just going to let this one ride now. Yeah, I got slipped like 4 pips, man.
Yeah, word.
Yeah, I seen that.
I got slipped like 4 pips. But that's okay. Sweet. Lovely. Lovely drive down here, chat. Stops are at break even at this point, and then you should see, you know, this range get filled now.
Beautiful. Textbook fake
Nice.
out.
Yeah.
Love it.
Yep,
Love it.
we waited for that resistance to form, waited for price to make a top wick, break the lows there, and now driving down. So
GJ's
good
back,
stuff, chat. Yep.
GJ's back, chat.
Let's go.
GJ Khaled, I
See,
see
can
it.
GJ
we
Khaled.
run? I forgot the lot size. The lot size are a little different too with pound yen and gold.
Yeah, that's true. Yep. All right, cool, cool. Lovely.
See, can we run?
GJ back in the game.
GJ back. Yeah, we'll see if we could run. But that's what we were looking for right there. That push right there, coming down to this like 183, 150 area. And that's what we got there, so. Nice. Still got a runner, but may get stopped here. Okay, lovely. So I've been break even.
stopped.
Yeah, I really got spreaded in there, gang.
X.
Yeah, that's
Wow,
fine.
I got about a 5 pips, slipped about 5 pips on that. So anyway, great job here. What did we do, right? We waited for sells, right? We were bearish on the day. We were bearish on the day here. We were looking for our sells. We did break the highs, right? But there was one area that was the main area, and it was this resistance level right here, right? We never closed above that on the 4 hour. We never closed above it on the 1 hour. The 1 hour closed very weak bullish. What does that mean? That means that the bullish momentum is dying out. And then the 30-minute gave us that resistance we were looking for. After we created that top wick, entries were on the break of the low. And this was our first target down here. And if we continue to run, we run. If not, that was the trade. W.
Playbook trade.
That's all we needed, right? That's all we needed to get the job done here on this position. So we'll see what happens now. But I think I'm out. Yeah, I'm out.
Yeah, I'm out.
Yeah, 8cat. What was up with that execution there? Holy.
Yeah, weird.
I don't like
I'm
that.
Still, like, if you wouldn't have got slipped, you'd be holding like 3 pips profit still.
I know.
Real.
Crazy. Yeah, I like that one though. That was beautiful. That's why I came back and I seen you eyeing it up. Yo, I had to move my car because
Real?
Oh, really?
we were sitting here and I hear like all kinds of banging going on. I'm like, bro, what is going on? So I look out the window. There's a tow truck, bro. And so I was like, what? So I hurried up, flew down the stairs, went out. They had but they're like digging up a gas line or something.
Oh, damn.
But but they had like a whole excavator and everything, but it already came off the tow truck. Or
Oh, wow.
like, the flatbed or whatever. Yeah, so when I just seen that, I was like, yo, what's going on, bro?
You were like, yo, chill.
Yeah.
Yikes.
Imagine, bro, they told your whip.
No, they ain't going nowhere.
I don't know.
Oh, I hope not. Yeah, I got slipped like 5 pips, man.
Dude,
So 40 lots too. That's $500 a pip, right? That's $2,000 right there.
Yeah, it ain't nothing to play with.
Yeah, quick trade. Our stops should, if you guys hold those stops, then those should be straight.
yeah, I was gonna hold my joint.
That was a weird slip, bro. It's just like, cause what happened there was the spread just randomly increased, and cause like the wick never even came down to your thing.
Yo, they scamming us,
I don't know
B.
how I feel about that.
Interesting.
That seems like some of my Forex fun stuff.
Yikes. Yikes. Might have to
Hey,
just
remember-
do my own thing, man.
God's in control, yo. Don't
Might have
stress.
to do
Live a
my own
stress-free life.
thing.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
I'm gonna slip them to hell. Either way, I ain't too worried, right? The trade played out. It did exactly what we wanted to do. That's the most important thing here today, is that we were able to read the markets very well, right? We've seen the celery. We've seen the onion play happening. We noticed that the 1 hour closed weak bullish. We noticed that the 4 hour, although it closed very strong, it closed below this level of resistance, right? So that's the main thing. As long as we know why price is doing what it's doing, the most important piece of this is your skill set, right? Now, of course, it sucks here and there you get slipped, but the fact that we've read this perfectly should encourage you here today.
Thanks. We were waiting for that pretty much the whole session. Right?
Yeah.
We had fake outs. We anticipated fake outs. Waited for that resistance.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you guys think I should maybe start an account? I don't know, maybe like a 20K or something like that. I don't know, we'll see. And just build it. Just build it out. Maybe in January I'll start that.
I think if any more negative news comes out with these funded companies, then I would start one.
Oh yeah.
That's like the obvious.
Gold driving down here now too. Broke the 4 hour lows there. Yeah, start a new account build up. Nice, nice.
I like gold.
Yeah, let me get some water and then we'll take a look at gold 930 here. Looking good though.
That was a good trade. Good trade, chat. We came to the charts right in the morning and we did our top-down analysis. We said what's going on with price action. We looked for where we could get our moves, right? We waited for our move the whole session. We finally got our move. When we followed the plan, we We executed when our edge presented itself to us. We took what the market gave us, and we followed our risk management plan. So that's a W.
Yeah, W.
Hey, sure, you're still holding? Nice, nice. If you're still holding, you should be good, right? You're just coming into that resistance area that was at a vantage point. I went to BE, but I was gonna hold my full position for more pips. Yep. Yep. I saw a little slippage as well. Yep. That and also GJ, the lots are a little different with GJ and gold. Still got runner. Nice. Nice. Still holding at B. Nice. A lot of y'all still in. It should be good, right? We should be correcting this whole move up.
Yep. Yeah, you have this area here, but if you break through here, then there should be another move coming down.
Or if you close below, it'd be really, really nice.
Oh, think markets. Yeah, that was a cap. Yep.
Yeah, TK. That's smart. It's not that big of a difference, though. It's like if you're using 10 lots on gold, maybe just use like a 12 lot on GJ.
I was gonna say exact
I
same
don't-
number.
Yeah, and then
Something
I'll
like
be
that.
Yeah, that'll be pretty similar.
Let's go. You boys still holding? Nice. Yeah, if it breaks through here, you should see a continued move down. Yeah, let's see what happens here on gold as well, because 9:30 is coming up here in about 10 minutes, so we'll see how this candle closes here. It looks like you're forming support possibly on the 15, so there may be an opportunity for us there. $10 lots on gold is 14.6 lots on GJ. Gotcha.
Oh wow, interesting. Sounds about right.
Weird. It makes sense.
Gotcha. 1.5 times. $15 broke the barcode. Oh, let's go. Broke it. Let's see if GJ is gonna move down. I think we gotta really move past this zone here.
Yeah, bro. I think closure below there. That's where we were anticipating the fake outs in that area.
Yeah, fake outs here, potential fake outs here, and yeah, we got it. Four-hour packy. Oh, what on GJ or gold? Yeah, gold, right?
Gold.
Yeah, I seen that. We needed that bottom wick. We needed it. Good spot there. Who said that? 10 pips daily. Yeah, good eye.
Good spot.
Yeah, how should we mark this up? 15 celery or 30? I think we'll do 30-minute onion.
30 on.
I want to see gold here though. 4 hours, not bad.
X.
Fake out or onion? I'll probably go with
Onion.
So we could do I think we'll do 30-minute fake out because we know with the fake out you have an onion, right? So at least we can highlight that it was a fake out there.
I wasn't gonna argue, but that's what I put mine in.
Yeah, I think we'll do fake out.
Because it's like, I mean, it doesn't really matter what
because
you mark it up.
you know you got an onion, right? If there's a fake out, you know it's also an onion.
Sure.
Right.
People are like, what?
But
Who?
I think that,
Onion?
yeah,
What?
because it's
What's
like
that?
daily bias was bearish, and then you had the like all that clean range above sketch, then it closed back below.
Yeah.
It's true.
Nah, all that added up. All that added up. Weak 1 hour. So you see how that 1 hour candle closed on no top wick? What do we say about these candles, right? They never have range to drive, right? The next candle really never gets any major momentum to it. So now that candle closed below, along with the 4 hour candle, along with the 30-minute fake out, along with the 15-minute celery, I mean, you'd be stupid not to take that trade. And now here comes our top wick. So let's see what happens, right? You've tapped into the zone, which is where we were looking to tap into originally. And then let's see how things pop up here. If we make a top wick and then re-break the lows, you should see a nice push down. Or just wait for the 30-minute close here in 5 minutes. Luca. Parts coming up soon. Nick, is it safe to buy a challenge from TFT since they are based in... Oh, me no speak English. Me no speak no English. No English. I like the smell of onions in the morning. You selling groceries? No, we selling candles. We selling candles, B. The funded trader is scamming on slippage. Oh, me no speak English. No English here. I didn't say it, you did. You guys seen it. No speak English. Yo, we got that was crazy. I wasn't expecting that on pound yen there. Kind of hurt my feelings.
What, that little slip?
Yeah, that little big slip. Yep.
It
It was just a slight little slip. Nothing.
For
nothing
pound
major.
yen, dude, that's like half the trade, bro.
Dead ass.
Right.
Nothing to worry about.
Oh, all right.
4 pips, yeah.
Just a 5 pip slippage on a 10 pip range. No biggie.
Sheesh.
Thank you, Mrs. Lippy. Thank you, Mrs. Lippy. Oh, what are we doing now? Top wick has been formed. Will we come down and break the lows with 3 minutes left in the 15-minute candle?
You're fully out, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I am too, in case you're wondering.
Yeah. 4 hour coming back up now. Doesn't really mean jack, right? If we don't close above this support here, really doesn't mean much. Right? We've had a lot of attempts at this point to close above. We really need to actually close above there. So you are probably going to close below this level here with a wick to fill during volume. Stops aren't too bad, right? 15, 16 pips for this move down if we close bearish. Yeah, this may be an opportunity for us. I know we are going against the daily bias here. That's our one issue. And 4 hours bullish. 1 hour, we broke the lows here on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. 30-minute may close bearish here below this consolidation. So we'll keep an eye on this. Yeah, so let's see how we close here. 52 seconds. If we keep our stops up here, it's about 15 pips, so it's not too bad. Let's see if we can open up, make a low, and then come up and make a top wick. That'll probably be pretty valid here for volume coming in, right? 1934, 913. All right, we're tapping into that area there. Yeah, I'm gonna have sell stops here. Sell stops on a break of the lows here. Right, we got volume on our side, price pushing down here. Close below resistance, 930. We've made a low. If we break that low, there's a high chance we continue down. So yeah, sell stops on the break of these lows. Lovely. Cool. So if we can make a top wick and break that low there, which we're making that top wick now, I think this is a pretty decent opportunity for a price to continue down and fill that wick during times of high volume here. So let's see. Sell stops. Yep. Very high volume plus a wick to fill, plus that support down there, and all these rejections to the top side.
Yep.
Oh, 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 oh.
What happened?
Okay, so it looks like I have been activated here. So got into some sells here on gold. Stops are going to be kept above the previous candle highs. TP is going to be down here at 1930. And then I'm going to look to close some partials right here around 1933. So that's the trade. And we should have volume on our side here. So if we continue breaking lows, you should fill this wick. This support right here is where I'm going to look to go break even, or look to close partials right around this level here. But pretty clean 930 breakout here. Let's see here. Activated, nice. Still running with GJ. Oh, cool. Running with them all. And let me set up a partial TP over here. All right. Oh, there it is, chat. I'm going to close partials here. Yeah, I'm going to close partials right there. We tapped into that support level. Now we should go ahead and fill this wick coming down here to the left-hand side. So close partials right there, and then you should let this one ride now for the wick fill. Another one, another quickie. Damn, man, price pulled back on me too. Sheesh. All right, lovely, lovely. All right, I'm gonna close another half if we come back down here. We move stops to break even. And yeah, that's the trade. Pretty much filled that wick down there. That was basically where we wanted to get to. Support level right here as well. And yeah, another good one. So another onion play there on gold. Let's go back to trading view here. So stops are in at break even now, and yeah, that's the trade. So we filled the wick. Let's see if we can come down and re-break the lows, but that was the move we were looking for right there. Just that wick fill during high times of volume.
Nice.
Yep.
That just made sense with price action.
Yep.
And everything.
That was a good pivot
Else
because
outside of it.
yeah. So I mean, look, we had consolidation here, right? We moved up a bit. We had consolidation going. You had a big exhaustion wick. You had price close below the range here at 930 with a wick to fill here, right? Nice wick to fill. Price created a top wick, broke the lows. That was our entry. This support here was our break even, or our first target. And now you should see price cruise on down if we start re-breaking these lows here. Another one, yeah. GJ still holding strong, or you guys got B? Yeah, we may have a runner here on gold. Yeah, my runner is still in. I think I still have 4 lots open, right? Yeah, 4 lots open here. All right, beautiful. Nice Wednesday pre-FOMC here.
It's Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday. Yeah, I closed. Yeah, I had crappy closes on both of them. Both times price pulled back right when I closed, and then also the spread and stuff on GJ. Yeah, 2 crappy closes there, but pretty good ideas, right? Pretty good ideas. Oh, looks like the second TP got tapped. Lovely, and now we're breaking through those wicks. And then I'll hold the rest of this for that support level down there. Later. Yeah,
That's
that's
how
a
you
later,
gotta
boys.
go off. Yeah, chat. This is a good example of how to like take what the market's gonna give you, you know, day in and day out. Like you had the last 2 weeks where we didn't take that many trades. Like we took 1 or 2 trades in the last 2 weeks, and then you have a day like today where you'll get 2 trades. Right? It's just that's how you gotta be with the markets. It's like a give and take relationship.
Yep. Pretty much.
Yes, that is.
Oh. The summer is finally over. Yeah, yeah, you should start seeing like multiple trades a day now. Now that these summer months, especially after we get past like mid-September here, with especially tomorrow, right? We get past tomorrow, then we should be good. But yeah, let's go over the trade. So this trade was taken based off, heavily based off of the 30-minute time frame, right? Which in my opinion is the best time frame to base your trades off of. Let's take a look here, right? We had the 4-hour candle close up. Now, one thing we knew was that the 4-hour candle closed, not the previous one, but the one before that closed below resistance, right? This one came down, came up, pushed up, but couldn't really do anything. Next candle comes down, right? So we closed below this level here. You guys see this area right here? Let me show you guys right here, right? So we closed below that level. Now, this is a very, very important level. You see the closure above, the push up, but then you see the retest and then the real move up, right? So above this level is a major area for price to potentially push up in. Now, we closed below it, right? So if we were closing below that level, you are also getting a ton of rejections. And look at the bullish momentum here. Just pay attention to the candles, right? You have very, very strong candle. Then you have bearish candle. Then you have decently strong candle, but with no top wick, right? What do we know about candles that close with no top wick? There may not be enough range for the next candles to drive in. So with that in mind, now you see a very weak candle, a very even more weak candle. And this one was, right? It was just like, whatever. It was still hanging out below this whole, range here. So those candles all closed weak plus below the range, right? Now, we didn't get any confirmation on the 1-hour time frame or the 4-hour, but that's when we go down to the best time frame, right? We find the best time frame, which is the 30-minute chart here. And what do we notice, right? We notice that there is a range going on, right? And right when volume comes around, typically you will see a breakout of that range. What did we have here on this candle? We had a clear breakout. What else do we have on this candle? We have a clear wick to fill, and that's going to be your move, right? Clean traffic coming down. The only thing we really had to worry about was that support, and then there's clean traffic coming down here as well. So anytime that you see a candle close like that below a range, and with a wick like this to fill, always pay attention to that, because when are wicks filled? Wicks are filled during times of volume, right? When does volume come in? We know that 9:30 is one time, and that's when that wick should get filled, right? So that was the whole idea around that trade. I had a feeling it'd be a quick one, a quick wick fill, right, during volume. And now the 15 is kind of, you know, back into this consolidation zone. But, you know, heavily based off the 30-minute time frame here. Old school Nick. Yeah. You better clip these two trades. Yeah. Gotcha. Oh, nice. No more drawdown for Lewis. Back out of it. Beautiful. 2 bangers, yeah. Oh. I just had to close as for whatever reason MT5 wasn't allowing me to get a second entry. Oh, damn. What the heck is going on here with all these brokers and firms?
They're trolling.
Okay, yeah, so that was that trade. GJ still, did you guys get hit at B or did you guys go break even?
You're talking to me?
Anybody, you guys, the chat. I think you guys said you closed, right? Or already?
Yeah.
Yeah, I closed mine.
No, I got hit at B.
Yeah, well, mine came back and hit. Well, I closed 90% at 10, and then it hit my break even on the runner. Yeah.
Lovely. Oh, look at, now we're coming back down here.
Beautiful.
Love you, Nick. Hey, I love you too. Are we in a trade? No, I don't think so. No. If anyone is still in GJ though, this is gonna probably continue down here, and gold may throw us for a loop now, right? We have to see how this candle's gonna close. 1 hour candle may close below, and if that happens, then there could be more sells coming in for gold here. But 945 is upon us. But if we don't get a closure below, then there's nothing else as of now for us here.
Down even 2, you got the 1 hour closure coming up. 15 minutes.
Yeah, GJ's not bad either. So we'll see. 2 great trades. Yeah, 2 good ones. 2 onions. We'll mark those up in just a minute. Oh, went to fill your water bottle? Aye. Yeah, never fill your water bottle around 9:30 over here. That's why I went and filled mine up at 8:45. If you guys ever need to go to the bathroom, take a shower, get some more water, do that around 8:45.
Tika. Zero facts.
Put the gallon beside you, yeah. I usually
In
have
the
a
water
gallon,
with
but not today. Johnny Boy always got a gallon. Wow, interesting here. 13 minutes for a 1 hour closure. Nowadays, you're not waiting for a range 2 confirmation? Good question. So we had the volume coming in, right? So look, if you guys go back and when you rewatch the stream, from 9:30 to 9:32, you're going to see me pivot. You're going to see me very quickly make a decision now, right? And that, you have to be very quick at making decisions when you, as a trader, right? Because we're bullish on the day. But all the signs in which I've already explained, right, on why we took this trade, they started to look beautiful to me, right? Lovely to me, familiar to me. And that's, in that moment is when you have to make a decision, right? Are we going to take advantage of this wick fill that we know we've seen hundreds of times before? or are we gonna wait, right? So we decided to take advantage of the wick fill, right? Because we've seen that happen over and over again. Now, not to say price will continue down, but when there's high volume and you get a breakout of a range, very high chance you'll fill the wick. So that's what I was looking at and put all that together in a matter of probably 12 seconds. And yeah, called out the trade and it worked out lovely. Consolidation zone, breakout, wick fill, yep, and volume. There you go, Z Gamer. Z Gamer in the house. Couldn't have said it better, bro.
Z Gamer.
Z Gamer in the house. Z Gamer. Proud of you, bro. Z Gamer's been here for a while, and I can tell that he has really learned. Like, I can tell that his trading has significantly improved. Just by hearing him in the chat, right? Just by seeing what he says, you can easily tell where somebody's at. So, proud of you, bro. Z Gamer. The man.
Nice.
He's on the come up.
Keep it up.
Yep.
Sure.
A lot of you guys, man. A lot of you guys. YOLO Trader, too. YOLO Trader. I see you. I see you.
Update the record, bro.
Got a trade. Shiro. That guy Shiro. That guy TK. He's just good at everything he does.
That guy Shiro. Yeah.
Yeah, shout out to Z Gamer, man. Yes, you too, Donald. Donald as well, man. I don't even want to call out names because there's just so many. But yeah, Donald, very proud of you too, bro. You've been here for a while too, man. And just to see you guys talking in the Discord, I can tell you guys have really honed in and put some studies in on the playbook. And now trading it for the last, 6-7 months, you're starting to get that experience, right? Making those tweaks and adjustments, and that's what this is all about.
Yeah, Donald, I've seen you for a while now. Seen you from the jump.
We see you, Donald.
Boy, cooking. Let him cook.
Yeah, a lot of people growing, man, and that's really what we created this for, right? An environment for growth. That was the big mission and the big goal. We've seen a little bit of a missing ingredient in the industry, and we felt like we could fill that, right? And not just trade talk, but life talk. So I think we're doing a pretty good job as the growth reflects in you guys, and I'm super proud of all of you guys, man. You guys have really hung through, right? And just continued looking for the next best setup and improving your game, right? Every single day. So big W.
We're all growing together.
Yep.
FX Viking, 100%.
I believe in Shiro. In Shiro we trust. Yanosh, yeah, Yanosh too. Groomsmith, man, I could say, I can go on and on, so I really don't want to say too many names. The Shiro strategy. $400K got back to break even, did it? Even with these crappy, oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, I feel like we should be up like 2% right now. But I got some crappy closures there today, not gonna lie, but I'm just happy about the ideas, right? The ideas and then playing out. Tomorrow we get better closure.
And the way you perform. Yep.
Yeah. Fool. 1 hour closure here in 8 minutes. Look at this. Gold moving back up. 4 hour packy. We broke the low one more time, right? After filling that wick. Yeah, broke that low again. Yeah, that's tough. If you didn't catch that move, then this can get tough.
In a range now.
Shout out to W Gamer, Shiro, Yanosh, Donald, and YOLO. Yeah, word. Shout out to the boys. Oh, South African house. What up, what up? $90 wins on our way to 100. King's Jet. Yeah, let me update this stuff for us real quick. Win number 90, boys and girls. Thanks for riding with me for 90 wins here. We're almost to 100.
Beautiful.
It's been a good ride. Where's the likes at?
Been a great ride.
How many likes? 555. Keep it right there. Don't give me any more. I like that number. Oh my goodness, 557. All right, never mind. Get to 1,000. Yeah, let's get it to 1,000. What up, Biohazard?
Shiro, I like that, bro. Our 100 trade. Let's get 100 pips.
Ooh,
Markets.
100 pips, nothing less.
Markets, come on. Give us 100 pips for our 100 trade. Our 100 win. Yo, Nick, call Jerome.
Jerome. Oh, Sam's looking at news. See, Sam's always cooking over there, right? Oh, now he's looking at his chart again.
Yeah, I was looking.
Sam's the stud, bro.
You know when that boy's cooking.
I'm looking at Naz. It's looking like she's about to bleed like crazy. Super clean traffic on the 1 hour.
Oh, let's take a look. Oh, bleeding. Let's take a look at the 1 hour here. Oh, wow. Running down. Chat, we're going to be really keeping a close eye on the Nasdaq here moving forward. So I know we've been looking at it and glancing at it, but we're going to keep a much more tight look here on the Nasdaq. This thing going to dump. Oh, broke the lows there.
Yeah, see, she closed below.
That barcode strategy is awesome. Yeah, tomorrow we will we'll have multiple streams tomorrow. So we'll do one. So the afternoon one, yeah, I've got like something else to do too, but we're gonna stream. We're gonna make it happen anyway. I mean, I'll be here, but I may be a smidge bit distracted.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, that's tomorrow.
Yep.
Huh? See how GJ's trying to break below there? 2 attempts here. So this candle's got 3 minutes left. See what it wants to do. It's trying. See if we can get it here.
Wants to lift.
It will drop gold. Yeah, I like that, TK. Good question. I call top bunk. That barcode strategy's tough. What's up with FTMO not having NAS? Oh, they don't have NAS? Could it be under something else? US 100 maybe?
US 100, NDX, USD.
Check out some of those. Hey, the opening song is on. Where's gold gonna close? GJ's doing it. Trying. Yeah, that was the move. That 15 celery right there. That was the money move. So look, 9 a.m. right? 9 a.m. that happened. So, you know, as much as we talk about time, you know, we can't forget about market structure either, right? So those are things that you always have to take into consideration too, right? Oh, should we let 9 a.m. go? You can't automatically just let really any time go, except for me, 8:45, right? That's like a non-negotiable for me. I'm most likely 99% of the time letting 8:45 go, last 15 of the 4 hour before NY. So, but look, 9 a.m. here, we took this trade. You know, we let this. We've seen a celery play. We've seen the breakout and the fake out. So regardless of it was 9 or 9:30 or 9:15, we have to execute there, right? Because that's what candles are telling us to do.
Facts.
You dig?
That makes sense because every trade is gonna be unique. Every trade is gonna be a little different, right, than the other. So, like Nick said, you gotta go off of market structure, and like Sam always says, price action is king. Like, let's just follow price action. It doesn't matter. It doesn't always have to be like no trade before 9 or 9:15, right? Let's just be fluent with the charts. Let's flow with the charts and go off of market structure.
Yeah. Oh, they have it. NDX 100. There you go. Check that on FTMO.
And I get no bottom wick.
Okay. Closures. GJ did not close below. Nasdaq.
No bottom wick.
Oh, Nasdaq with no
course.
bottom.
Yeah, I know.
Of course.
Of course.
I was ready.
Nasdaq with no bottom wick. And gold. Gold closed bearish and moving down with no top wick here. So 1 hour onion play potentially, but we are going against the daily, right? And now we don't have volume on our side, right? We don't have a session open on our side. So we don't want to rush this move now, right? Because this could potentially be what? What could this potentially be now? This could now potentially be a fake out, right? For price to continue up. So we don't have the session open now. So now this changes things a little bit, right? So we want to wait now. We want to wait. We want to see if this candle can form support. And then guess what? There may just be more buys here today. Moving up.
EJ2 could maybe potentially start coming up now.
Let's take a look.
Bodies are getting smaller, 4 hour.
Yep.
They want to go up daily, the previous daily high.
Yeah. You see how this, like what John's saying here, that you see how the candles are getting weaker and weaker, right? And then you look at the 15 and they're really dying out a bit. So that may mean pullback time. And then gold. Ooh, gold came up to create a top wick here, right? Yep. So I think it's best to wait on gold now, right? It's yeah, I think that's yeah, outside of this wick to fill going against the daily bias, there's really nothing on gold. GJ, nothing there, and then again the Nasdaq closing with no bottom wick, so that kind of takes us out of that.
Yeah.
Gold isn't too bad, but again, we don't have that session open on our side anymore, and we are still now moving against the daily bias, right? So that gets a little tough now, right? One of the main reasons for that trade was the session open, right? Understanding that that wick is about an 85% chance that wick will get filled. Now it's not so much, right? Now we want to still now wait for a closure below if we're going to go against the daily here, because this daily candle could easily just start flipping bullish and moving back up at any point. But remember, we talked about this this morning. I also talked about this last night, is that the daily did close bullish, but look where we closed, right? We closed below this level here. So if today, I think Sam was talking about this earlier too, if we can close bearish here today, money.
Yeah, that's gonna set us up huge for tomorrow. That'll be
Huge.
Nice. I would like that.
Yep. So yeah, so that's kind of like what the ideas are.
Yeah. I think today, those are the moves. We'll see though. We'll see.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Trading corner. Good stuff. Congratulations. Good day there for you. Close it up and finish it. What does it mean when a candle closes with no bottom wick? There's no range for the next candle to drive in. Most times, right? It becomes a 50-50. If you have a candle, it becomes more like a 80-20. But no candle, it gets tough, right? It becomes more like a 50-50. Yeah, nice, nice. Oh, we're going to get the rest of the volume here. Filling that wick now. Lovely. 1 to 2 trades a day, gang. Yeah, there you go. Why don't you trade oil? No particular reason. All right, I think that's gonna do it. Yeah, I think that's gonna do it here for me today. 2 very, very nice trades.
Beautiful.
Yeah, we'll come back tomorrow, see what the Fed has to say, and we'll do our 2 streams tomorrow, and or maybe maybe 3. But yeah, we'll do our streams tomorrow. I should be good for Asian as well. So yeah, if you guys want to trade Asian tomorrow with some leftover news, leftover volume from the Fed, then that should be good. Should be a possibility. So cool. Y'all good?
W day.
W, man.
W, boys.
We're
W day,
amazing.
boys.
We're amazing. We're more than
There.
Thank you for
we're beasts.
stopping by. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Time to eat
Thank
some
you for having me. We're
tacos.
professionals.
Yes, sir.
I'm need tacos. Hey, we bring the same energy tomorrow. That's it. That's all I'm gonna say.
That's
Yes, sir. Yeah, gang, we got 2
boys,
trades
Nick
in
and
here
Sam.
today. Good job. Later, boys. Hope you guys have a good one.
Yep.
I'll see
Have a
you
good
guys
day.
tomorrow. I'll
John.
probably talk to you guys
Yeah.
later.
Alrighty. Thanks for having me, brother.
Yeah.
I'll see you boys tomorrow. Chat, Zoom. I'll see you
Peace.
guys tomorrow.
Peace.
Peace, boys.
Later.
Peace, chat. Peace, Zoom. Catch
Later.
up.
Later, John. See you later, bro. All right, chat. 2 trades here today. Good job. Way to get on the board. Stack them up here as we move into September. We took 2 onion plays here today. That was enough to get the job done here for us. And now we move on to the next day. So good work, everyone. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day and evening. And I do look forward to seeing y'all tomorrow. So we'll see you then. Peace.